Hello students, today we will discuss how to automatically add the contacts from a Google Sheet. Now you are having this Google Sheet in front of you and you are having different contacts in this. You are having the first name, last name, email. Now we will have a program in the script editor which will copy these contacts to the other app. You're having this function, we have written it. So let's know about this function. The function name is the create contact. Whenever you are going to run this function, the new contacts will be created. These contacts, these two contacts you are having in the spreadsheet, they will be created. You're having a variable here that is already added. If your contact is already added in the other application, then it will not get repeated there. It is for that. Our next variable is sheet. It is going to take the active sheet. Our active sheet is this one, that is form responses 3. Start row 2, it's gonna start from the second row. Num rows 2, number of rows to process is 2. As you can see, there are 2 rows which we are going to process. Now the other one is the data range. Data range is for fetching the range of cells. Range of cells is from A2 to G3. From A2 to G3. Now it's variable data. In the data we are having the values of data range. Here we have applied the array for it. You're having the first name, last name, email address into the array. When you're going to make any program, you should know some of the basics of array and of any programming language, that how the loop works. Here we have used the loop. Now we have used the condition. If the contact is already in the list, then you're gonna do the create contact, the phone number, the company, the notes, and you have set the range. So when you're going to run this program, you will see these two contacts are already created in the next app to which you want to create the contacts. Here are 2 options, that is create contact. When you run this function, it has run successfully. Now the 2 contacts in the contact list, you will have 2 contacts here. Thank you.